Hi everyone, this is DJ Kim. Welcome back to DJ Kim.Yoga. Today is the day 3 of the 100-day yoga challenge. And I'm glad to be here and I'm glad that all you're here being with me on your own mat. Thank you very much. We are going to practice today 30-minute yoga for balance and lower body strength. So it's going to be a little bit harder than yesterday. But I know you all can do it. So let's go. We're going to start with Nadi Shuddhi, which is pranayama practice. Nadi Shuddhi means cleansing Nadis, energy pathways. So there are 72,000 energy pathways in the human system, 36,000 pathways on the right side, another 36,000 energy pathways on the left side. The right side, we call it Pingala, which is masculine energy pathways. And then left side, we have Ida, which is feminine energy pathways. There should be a balance between two energy pathways. So Nadi Shuddhi will bring the balance into the system. This is very important because there's a connection between your breath and your mental structure, which means your breath determines your thought determines your action determines your emotion, your thought, it determines your emotion, and your emotion determines, or action determines the quality of your life. So, Nadi Shuddhi plays a very important role in our life. So let's practice what is Nadi Shuddhi. So sit in a seated position, usually cross-legged in front of your body, left heel underneath your genital, and right foot just sit comfortably right there. Relax your body, sit comfortably with your spine erect, and bring your right hands up and left hands just loosely placed in the middle of your leg, palms facing upwards. And we're going to use thumb and ring finger, index and middle finger, just fold these two fingers, and then ring finger and little finger, hold them together, touching side by side, and this is the position. So close your eyes, block your right nostril with your thumb gently, just with the minimum pressure. Breathe in through the left nostril, gently. Breathe in fully, slowly and gently. Breathe out through the left nostril, gently, fully out. After exhalation, block your left nostril with your ring finger with the minimum pressure. Don't press hard. Breathe in through the right nostril, deeply, slowly. You shouldn't make any sound. Let the body breathe in and out. Just, use minimum control over the breath. Deeply in and deeply out. After exhalation through the right nostril, block your right nostril with your thumb and breathe in through the left nostril. There's always a tendency to keep your head down or turn to one or the other side. So make sure your head is straight up with your spine upright comfortably. Breathe in through the left nostril and breathe out. After that, block your left nostril. Breathe in through the right nostril. Breathe out. We're going to do 5 times on your own. Block your right nostril. Breathe in. Breathe out. Notice the difference between the left nostril and the right nostril, your breath. Block the left nostril, breathe in through the right nostril. It's common there's an imbalance between two energy pathways. So just notice the difference between two energy pathways. Block the right nostril and breathe in through the left nostril. At your own pace, breathe out fully and gently, slowly. Don't breathe shallowly. Breathe deeply in and out. Block the left nostril. Imagine yourself cleansing 72,000 energy pathways. Block the right nostril. Breathe in through the left nostril. Do not keep your head down or turn to the other side or one side. It happens unconsciously. Block your left nostril. After the last exhalation through the left nostril, gently bring your right hand back to your knees and grab your knees with your palms. Relax. Breathe in through the both nostrils. Be conscious of your breath. Be conscious of any difference. After practice Nadi Shuddhi. Practice minimum 4 minutes every day will change your life. Close. Slowly open your eyes. Be conscious of visual information comes through your retina. And let's get to asana practice. So we're going to start with the standing pose, Tadasana. I want you to stand in front of the mat. Legs parallel to each other. Ground your feet into the mat. Inhale fully in through the nostril. Breathe out. As you inhale, arms up towards the ceiling. As you exhale, arms down, hinge from the hips, belly on your thigh, forward. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, plank. Inhale, stay there. Exhale, softly knees down. Bend your elbow, lean forward, half down. As you inhale, chest forward, shoulder blades in the back together. Look forward, cobra. As you exhale, downward facing dog. As you inhale, step forward. As you exhale, forward. Always belly on your thigh. Inhale, arms up, reaching towards the sky, mountain pose. Exhale, Tadasana standing. One more sun salutation. As you inhale, arms up. As you exhale, hinge from the hips. Bend your knees if needed. Belly on your thigh. Forward. As you inhale, press the palms into the mat. Half lift. As you exhale, foot back, plank, engage your core. Stay there as you inhale. Exhale, knees down, bend your elbow, lean forward, forward, half down. As you inhale, cobra. As you exhale, downward facing dog. As you inhale, step forward. Foot parallel to each other, hips width apart. As you exhale, forward. Bend your knees down, hips up, stretching your hamstring. One more time. Bend your knees down, hips up. As you inhale, stand up, arms reaching towards the sky. Exhale, Tadasana standing. So we're going to do a warrior pose. As you inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward, hinge from the hips. Bend your knees, bow your thigh. Forward. As you inhale, half lift. As you exhale, bring the foot back, right and left. Stay in the firm plank position. Inhale. Exhale, knees down. Half down. Inhale, cobra. Shoulder blades together, shoulders away from the ears. Away from the ears. Engage your feet, top of the feet. Perfect. As you exhale, hips down, up and back and up. Downward facing dog. Stretch your left and right. Left and right. So this time, bring the right foot forward. Stand up with your arms reaching towards the sky. Look forward. Your left foot keep it at a 45-degree angle. Hips facing forward. Knees directly above the ankles, 90 degree. And arms reaching towards the sky. Ribcage in, suck the belly in. Energy-wise, go up and goes down. Imagine your both feet having a tug of war. So right foot into the mat, forward, energy-wise. Left foot down and back. So as if you're tearing the mat, like tug of war. Here we go. So there's two energy forces, here and here. Stay there. 2 more breaths. Armpits towards the face. Shoulder blades away from each other. As you exhale, spreading arms to the sides, and bring your left feet 90 degree. Keep it 90-degree angle. Open your hips towards the left side. Don't let the knees collapse. Bring it back. Hands nice, palms facing downwards, parallel to the ground. Perfect. Look over there. Right finger. Armpit downwards, shoulder away from the ears always. Keep your torso right above the hips. Perfect. In your next exhalation, bring your left hands behind your back and grab your right knees, right thigh, and then right arm, turn upside down and reach over to the sky and stretch, extend the lateral line here. Reverse warrior. Look over the left hand. Perfect. Deep breathe in. On your next exhalation, bring your hands down. Good job, everybody. Stay in a firm plank. Inhale, stay there. Exhale, half down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the left foot forward. Stand up to warrior one. Again, right foot, keep it at a 45-degree angle. Knees directly above the ankle, 90 degree. Hips square to the front. Always facing forward. Chest tracing forward. Arms reaching up. Armpits towards the face. It means shoulder blades away from each other. Palms facing each other. So there's a two energy forces going tug of war here, vertically and horizontally. Stay there. One more breath. On your next exhalation, spread your arms to the sides. Open your legs, feet, right foot, 90 degree at a 90-degree angle. Hips open to the right side, as if you're stuck in the wall like that. Hands, palms down. Look over the left fingers. Armpit down. It means shoulders away from the ears. Perfect. Stay there. Always 90-degree angle. As you exhale, a little bit down, lower your body. On your next exhalation, bring your right hand back, grab the thigh, and left hand flip over and reach over the sky and stretch the lateral line here. Don't collapse. Keep the energy going upwards. Look over the left fingers. Perfect. On your next exhalation, bring your hands back down and plank. Inhale, stay. Exhale, half down. Inhale, shoulder blades back in. Shoulder away from the ears. Top of the foot, engage it. Good. As you exhale, downward facing dog. As you inhale, bring this time left foot forward. Stand up to a lunge pose, high lunge pose. Make sure you lift your heel, right heel up, the right legs straight. Imagine there's a wall behind you. So wall, you're pushing the wall by using your sole of your right foot. Pushing. This is high lunge. So engage all the muscles here. And then 90-degree angle. Definitely your hips facing forward. Your chest facing forward. Arms reaching to the ceiling. Armpit towards the face. And then shift your weight onto your right foot, left foot. Slowly, as you inhale, shift your weight and then lift your right foot off the ground. Extend your arms. So if you look at me as if the letter T, hips square to the ground, to the floor, engage. If this is too difficult, you can use yoga blocks, or in this case, you can use hands by the side. Don't open your hips. Always hips square to the floor. Perfect. Good. This time, as you exhale, belly on your thigh. If you want, you can bend your knees and right leg up. Not external rotation, internal rotation and up. Look at the right toe, big toe. Standing split. As you inhale, half lift with the fingertips. Engage your right foot. Square your hips to the floor. And as you inhale, open your hips. Make sure your right hips on top of your left hips. And reach over your right arm to the sky. Half moon. Take a deep breath in. I know it's hard. As you exhale, arms down. Hips square to the floor again. And then twist your upper body and bring your left hand towards the ceiling and look over the left hands. Don't let the leg down. Always engage. As you exhale, left arms down. Perfect. And then come up to high lunge pose. As you exhale, arms down. Plank position. As you inhale, stay in a plank position. Exhale, half down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. You can always use yoga blocks if it's too difficult. I know it's very difficult. Even for me, I practiced for 2 years. Look at the sweat I'm sweating. It's a lot difficult, I know. But it gives you enough strength to, like do all kinds of yoga poses with your legs. That's why it's yoga poses for lower body strength. So I know you can do it. Push yourself hard, but don't push yourself too hard that you can have injuries, okay? So avoid injury all the time. So let's get to it. This time, we're gonna do the right foot. I hope this mic works. Here we go. Downward facing dog. Bring your right foot forward and stand up to high lunge pose. Remember, left sole of the foot pressing back against imaginary wall right here. So back. So make sure engage all the muscles. Make sure the left leg straight. Perfect. Arms up, reaching towards the sky. Hips facing forward. You're chasing chest facing forward. Perfect. As you inhale, shift your weight onto your right foot, and at the same time, simultaneously, lift your left foot. So make a T. If this is too difficult, as I told you, bring your hands by the thigh, and always you can do, or you can use your yoga blocks and do this. If it's too difficult, you can even bend your knees, so stay in the warrior 3 position, like this, or like this. Don't lean on too much on yoga blocks. Just enough support for you can handle this pose. Perfect. Or this. As you exhale, hinge from the hips, standing split. Again, this time, internal rotation of your left leg, and hop up high, and look at the big toe. As you inhale, half lift with your fingertips. Perfect. Don't let the legs down. Always engage your legs. Keep straight, pointing toes. And then as you inhale, open up hips to the left side. So bring your left hip on top of the right hip. Good. And then bring your left arm towards the ceiling. If you can look over the left shoulder, means ceiling, you can do it. If it's too difficult, just maintain your gaze at a fixed position so that you can maintain the balance. Good. As you exhale, bring your left hands down. As you inhale, bring your right hands up. Twist your upper body. Open the chest to the right side. Open the chest to the right side. Keep your leg engaged. Here we go. Use your yoga blocks if it's too hard, okay? Breathe in and out. And let the hands down. Comes back to high lunge. As you exhale, comes down to plank. Inhale, stay there. Exhale, half down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Downward facing dog. The mic is bothering me. I need to do something about it. As you inhale, step forward. As you exhale, hips down and lie down on your back. Wow, I'm sweating a lot. Here we go. Bend your right knees. Move your hips towards the edge of the right side of the mat. And then Place your left sole of your foot, right foot on top of your left thigh, and bring the knees down to the left side. Right arm bent, palms facing upwards, 90 degree by the way, and slowly twist your spine. Look over the right shoulder, your right shoulder and left shoulder on the mat. Collarbone wide. Right hips down to the left. Perfect. Bring it back together to the center. And bend your left knees. Move your hips to the left side. And left foot on your right thigh. Bring the left knees down. Left arm bent, 90 degree. Palms facing upwards. Shoulders are always in touch with the ground. Look over the left shoulder and hips down to the right. So then make sure you have a deep twist through the whole spine. Breathe gently in and out. Collarbone wide. Comes back to center. And just relax for a while. Close your eyes. I know it is hard, right? Comes back to your natural breath. Relax. What we can do can be done by the prayer. We're not alone. There is a higher power always helping us. Our prayer to our own heart, our prayer to the higher power will make a change, will help us do something we can't do. Slowly turn your body to the side as if you're in a Stay there in a comfortable position. I know you are sweating. Perfect. Using your upper hands, press down into the ground, slowly, gently up. Perfect. And bring your hips at the center of the mat, cross your feet. With your spine upright comfortably, hands gently down on your knees. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Let it go. Take one more deep breath in. Let it go. Bring your palms together in front of your heart. Bowing down to your own heart and to the higher power. Thank you very much for joining me on your mat today. I send your love and light. Thank you. Namaste. See you tomorrow, everybody.